Nvidia Nemotron 3 Super is now available for free on Ollama, and today we're going to be testing out. I'll show you exactly how to use it, how to run it locally. We'll break down exactly what Nemotron 3 Super is and why it's different. I'll show you how to install it for free with Ollama in under 5 minutes. We'll build and show you some automation workflows, and I'll show you how to connect it to whatever tool you want using this, right? So if you're wondering, okay, what is Nemotron 3 Super, how does it perform, etc. So you can see some examples of the benchmarks right here. This is a brand new release from Nvidia. It literally just came out, and you can see how it performs on the benchmarks, right? Now, the difference between, say, Claude Opus 4.5 and GPT 5.4 on these benchmarks is that Nemotron can be run locally, right? So you can actually run this for free locally with Ollama, which is what I'm showing you today. And it's a brand new AI model dropped by Nvidia. It's 120 billion parameters total, but only activates 12 billion at a time, called a mixture of experts architecture. That means you get a lot of intelligence, but you get lightweight compute power, right? It also has a 1,000,000 token context window, so you can feed it, like, for example, your entire business documents, entire code bases, entire SOPs without it losing track. You can see all the details on how it works right here, and it's available for free. Now you can see how it performs on the benchmarks. Usually I don't pay attention to the benchmarks so much, and also the difference here is, like, you can run this on the cloud too, right? So you can see here it's a big model, right? 87 gigabytes. Pretty big. Bear in mind that, sorry, just to recorrect myself there, it's 256K on the context window, not a million. But yeah, you can see the details here. So you can run it on cloud or you can run it locally, right? Bear in mind, if you run it locally, you do need a strong setup because it's 87 gigabytes, which is a pretty big model if you ask me. So we're going to have a look at how to use it, why it matters, my framework for personally using it, etc. And I'll show you how to get this set up, okay? So if you want to set this up with Ollama, first thing you're going to do is download Ollama. If you don't know how to do that, you can either download it right here, right? So you can just click on download Ollama, or what you can do is you can copy and paste this command into your terminal, right? And this will install OpenClaw directly. Sorry, not OpenClaw, Ollama. Now, when you're using Ollama, it's free to download. Once you've done that, you can then go to the model section over here. All right. And you would just scroll down to Nemotron 3 Super. Now, if you run this locally and install it locally, as I've said before, it's a big model, right? 87 gigabytes. So you need a really good setup to run this. Now, I'll show you how this works. So, for example, if you wanted to run Ollama with Nemotron locally using the big model download, then you would just open up Ollama. So make sure you have it running over here. Then you're going to go to your terminal and you can plug in this command like so, and that'll begin to open the model. Now, as I said, depending on your setup, this could slow you down. Let's see how it performs on mine. I'm running this on a Mac Studio, so you can see my setup right here. We're running this on an Apple M4 Max. So to run the cloud model with Ollama, make sure you have Ollama running. Then you're going to take this command and type Ollama run first, right? So you type Ollama run and then you paste that in. And that's how you can start using the cloud model inside Ollama. You also have another option, which is you can open up Ollama itself, the app, and then you can actually select Nemotron 3 Super directly here, right? So that's the other option. If you want a nice UI, you can use it inside Nemotron 3 Super here. I would also be interested to know if it's running inside LM Studio, which is another kind of alternative to using something like Ollama. So let's go over to the model search and we'll have a look. Yeah, look at that. So you can use it inside here too. It's a huge model. You've got different options for this as well. So you could use Nemotron 3 Nano, which is a smaller model, an older model, but you could use that if you want to run this locally too. So if you type in Nemotron 3 Super, you can see a bunch of options right here. But the only one that looks like a relevant release is this one from 9 hours ago. Right. So if we wanted to start using this, let's just check if it's working. Yep. So it's pretty fast and it's easy to use with the cloud model. And then if you wanted to use it inside, for example, like something like Claude Code, Codex, or OpenCode, it's pretty simple and easy. So what you can do here is you would open up a new window. If you want to run this locally with, for example, Claude Code, then you would just copy and paste this command and paste it in like that. Right. Now, if you want to use the cloud model, you just add to the end of this Super Cloud, right? And now that will launch Claude Code with Nemotron 3 Super Cloud. There you go, right? So now you can see that Nemotron 3 Super Cloud is plugged into Claude Code. So now let's try creating a new website. So I'm going to say create a new awesome landing page for my AI Profit Boardroom community using the details. And then I'll paste in the copyright I want to add inside here, right? So you can see that it's working straight away, super fast to respond, and it's now right in the HTML. Now you can see we've got the full code block right here from Nemotron 3 Super. So it's fast, it's responsive, seems to work pretty well. Let's just test out this HTML, see what it looks like in action. So I've tested the code inside LiveWeave. This is the code from Nemotron 3 Super that we ran via Ollama, and you can see the output of the website here. Now, I'm not gonna tell you that's as good as something like Claude Opus 4.5, but it does the job, and it did create the page locally. You could always improve the design and that sort of thing, but it was easy to set up and it was easy to get it working. So that is Nemotron 3 Super. What we've actually done is create a super agent stack framework for using this with Ollama. So the framework has 3 layers, right? And this is inside the video notes from today. So layer 1 is a brain. You've got Nemotron 3 Super running locally via Ollama, and this can handle your reasoning, planning, writing, and decision making. Bear in mind, if you're running it on the cloud, obviously it's not running locally, and that depends on your setup. So either way, you can run it locally or you can run it in the cloud. Then you've got layer 2, the agent. So this is powered by the Nemotron Super 3 model. And then you've got the workflows, right? So you could connect this to, for example, like NA10 or that sort of thing. And the old way was like manually writing every prompt, manually copying and pasting outputs, manually posting content, etc. The new way is you could build like a local AI agent stack that does the research, the writing, the outreach, and the content for you. I've shown you how to set it up. It's just like a couple of simple terminal commands. And we actually have a 30-day plan for implementing this stuff. So if you want to go from like beginning to install it to, for example, like building your own customer FAQ bot, or for example, using this to automate content for your business, etc. We've got a full step-by-step 30-day plan inside the video notes today. But the main point here is like you can use this as a cloud model, and it's free to use, right? So some people say, well, I need a massive server to run a powerful AI model, and that's your belief, right? The fact is, Nemotron 3 Super can run via one terminal command on Ollama, just using the cloud-based prompt. It's pretty simple and easy to use it. Other people say, well, free AI models are always worse than paid ones. Let's see, for this one, it depends what you're doing, but I would say it's a pretty powerful model if you're just giving it simple tasks and if you need something quick and free to use. And then additionally, some people say, well, I'm not technical enough to run local models, right? But literally all you do is you set up Ollama, and this was built for non-technical people, so you can run AI models, right? The installation takes 5 minutes. You just click a button, and then it's one command in your terminal, and the model is running, right? So you don't need any technical knowledge to use this. By the way, if you're inside the AI Profit Boardroom already and you're wondering, okay, how to get access to this guide, so you go to the SOP update section, so Classroom, SOP updates, and then Nemotron 3 Super plus Ollama, and you can find the full step guide right here. Right. So that's basically it for Nemotron Super and how to use it. It's a powerful model from Nvidia. We've tested it out. It runs pretty fast locally. You can use it for free, and it's just like a quick terminal command that you can use as well. We have a full framework for using this stuff, along with a 30-day roadmap on how to use it. This is all inside the AI Profit Boardroom community, which is my community dedicated to helping you learn, grow, and scale with AI automation. So you can post questions inside the community. You can connect with cool people. There's always people online, which means that you can meet awesome people all the time. Inside the calendar, we have 4 weekly coaching calls. You can get help and support whenever you need to. Inside the map, you can connect with local people inside your area, DM them, jump on a Zoom call, etc. And inside the classroom here, you get access to all of my best trainings. If you're wondering, okay, are people getting results of this? What's the feedback so far? So you can see we actually have over 136 pages of testimonials from people winning with AI automation, right? So here's an example from Caden. These are real people with real testimonials from the AI Profit Boardroom community, and just lots of people winning and getting awesome results of it, right? This is basically an infinite scroll of 136 pages of wins. So it's pretty awesome. Here's another one, right? So if you want to get my best trainings for this, you can go inside the classroom here as well, and you can go from beginner to expert and learn how to build your first AI agent with AI automation inside this section right here. If you want to learn how I automate my business. So, for example, how I automate Twitter, newsletters, and shorts and Instagram. You can learn that inside this section. If you want to get my daily updates, including the guide from today, you can get that inside the SOP update section. And you can see here, for example, we have a full 6-hour course on how to use OpenClaw, another 3-hour right here, and a bunch of other cool trainings that we update daily. So it's a very active community with new stuff and new training all the time as well. Additionally, you can learn how to get more clients with the agency course. You can watch about the coaching calls if you didn't make them live. You can learn how to rank #1 with AI SEO. And you can also learn how to grow a YouTube channel with AI based on what's working for me with this roadmap. So that's all inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Link inside the comments description, or go to the AIProfitBoardroom.com.